Goes red there with the steel match here. In the penalty lane for IBM, we got Carl Stoker. Is that how can't they do it?